Heck, maybe I should just give my car to WhistlinDiesel so he can destroy it.
Hey. This one crazy. This one feel like hitting the buzzer beater or something. Championship game. Dream team. Feeling better than I ever been. Cairo in his bag, this beat is heaven sent. Back up in my element. New whip, trunk up in the front, I whip an elephant. It's all limo tint, that's how you move when you the president.
Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about why my Mustang was smoking recently. Well, not recently, the past couple months. But basically what went on with that and why I was so concerned about it smoking. But without further ado, let's get into the video.
You know, it's been a pretty cool day today. I mean, warm day today. Had it warmed up at lunchtime about 3.5 hours ago. I didn't have any of this, but now I guess I do. God damn.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Oof. Welcome back to another Cole's Cars video. In today's video, we're going to talk about an incident I had, or I guess problems I had with a Mustang a few months back where, essentially a lot of white smoke was coming out of the exhaust pipe. On startups when he went, it happened like 3-4 times. So basically, to start you off, I haven't had any issues with this car except that, and it just seems to be a common issue where white smoke comes out of the exhaust pipes with this car, or even the Focus that this engine is in for Ford. So yeah, the exhaust did smell like coolant, so that it really concerned me whenever it happened. I thought I had maybe a blown head gasket or something like that. I went to go get it looked at a mechanic. They looked it over, started it up, took it for a drive, and they saw nothing wrong with it. Of course, that happens whenever you take it to a mechanic. It doesn't want to smoke, but yeah, basically since then I have not had the issue. It's been a couple months since this has happened, and it was just really bizarre, and it really concerned me whenever it happened. Now, I did do a lot of research about the problem, and it seemed to be the oil separator, which is on the manifold. So you would have to replace a whole bunch of parts, and it was like a $2,000 fix for a problem that occurred 2 times, and I haven't had the problem since. So I really don't see the point in that. Maybe I will. There's a bald eagle. There is 2 bald eagles eating eating roadkill. Wow, that's crazy. Anyway, let's get back to the regular scheduled program. that was awesome. Anyway, so, but if you have an EcoBoost, just tell me if you've had this problem. I don't know. Heck, maybe I should just give my car to WhistlinDiesel so he can destroy it. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a amazing day. if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Just remember, we are uploading every Wednesday and Saturday at 5 p.m. Eastern. If you made it this far, why not subscribe? You've obviously liked the content this far, but thank you so much for watching, and stick around for maybe some bloopers or something else after this, and thank you again. Pulled out in front. Sorry.